surface area and values, conversion of solids. So converting the one solid to the another form, and it is getting in another type of the solid, and the relation between these two things to find out, we are going to use this chapter. So that is exercise 13.3. So see the question. First question is given to you: a metallic sphere of the radius. So I think these are all the questions. It is better to you to show these questions. I will show it to you the questions on the display karunga, so that easily you can understand the question. Is this question visible to you?
Yes, sir.
The first question is given to you: a metallic sphere of the radius 4.2 centimeters is melted and recast. So, recast means change कर लिया है into the shape of the cylinder of the radius 6 centimeters. Find the height of the cylinder. So here dimensions what are given to you, that let us take into consideration. Question समझ में आया ना? So the first dimensions of the sphere, radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere, let us represent here even radius of the sphere is there, radius of the base cylinder, radius of the cylinder is given to you. Cylinder of the radius bola hai, so that is nothing but base radius. So let us represent this with a small r, that is 4.2 centimeters, and the radius of the base of cylinder. Radius of the cylinder is nothing but, let us represent this with a capital. Now दोनों recast is nothing but change कर दिया है, and that value will be equals to this value. That value will be equals to this value. So value of sphere. So value of the sphere first. Value of the cylinder. Value of the cylinder is equals to value of sphere, because it is recast. Okay, so this one recast कर लिया, so value of the cylinder is equal to pi capital R square h is equals to 4/3 pi r cube, and we need to find out h here. So pi will get cancelled. R value 6 square into h is equals to 4/3 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. Just more simplifications will be there here in this. So 6 square h is equals to 3 ones are 1.4. So 4 into 1.4 into 4.2 into 4.2 divided by 6 into 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are. इधर 3 आ जाए. 3 ones are 3 1.4. 3 ones are 3 1.4. So 1.4 1.4 3 times here. So h is equals to 1.4 whole cube centimeters. The height is 1.4 whole cube. 1.4 whole cube, whatever you get the value, that value you need to find out here. समझ में आया ना? Is it clear to you? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, इसमें तो कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है ना? 1.4 whole cube value पर 196 cube find out करना, that's all. It's very simple here. Okay. So now let us see the next question to you. Next question मैं दिखा दूंगा. Second question, see here. What is the question given to you? Any one of you please read the question. Yes. Any one of you read the question.
Metallic sphere of radius 6 cm, 8 cm, and 10 cm, respectively, are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of resulting sphere.
Yes. So three different spheres are 6, 8, 10. So actually you are going to get the radius in the resulting cube is equals to 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube, whatever you get, that you are going to get it. This question is very simple, you can do it. I am not going to explain to you clearly. Third question, let us see. Third question, see. The second question is very simple. Here 4 by 3 pi r cube should be equal to 4 by 3 pi 6 cube, 4 by 3 pi 8 cube, 4 by 3 pi 10 cube. 4 by 3 pi common ले लो, 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube आ जाएगा, isn't it? So radius r cube is equal to 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. So the final result, what do you get? That value you have to do it. So third question, see here. A 20 meters deep well with a diameter 7 centimeters is dug, and the earth from the digging is evenly spread out to form a platform of the 22 meters by 16 meters. Platform is nothing but walking करने के लिए जो जगह है. So it is in the form of platform, will be in the form of cuboid. So उसका diameter, length and breadth, find the height of the platform. So here the volume of the cuboid will be equal to the volume of the cylinder, because the deep well is in the form of the cylinder and platform is in the form of the cuboid. That you need to mention here. So that dimensions, let us see here. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है question? Did you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
So the question is given to you. Here you write that the shape of the well is in the cylindrical form and platform will be in the form of, platform किस में होता है? Cuboid form का होता है. So the question number 3 here. A 20 meters deep well like this. Depth of the well. This is 20 meters and 7 meters. Radius. Diameter is 7. Diameter is 7 meters. Diameter is 7. Okay, and evenly spread out to form a uniform platform. Platform cuboid shape में होता है. Cuboid shape में एक platform form होता है. So therefore इसमें से मड कितना आया वो मड को another one. So that is nothing but the volume of this is equal to volume of the platform. So here you can write that given, okay, well is in the form of cylinder and platform will be in cuboid. Okay, so let dimensions of well, radius is equals to 7 by 2. Please note that most of the students commit the mistake here. Diameter will be given sometimes, radius will be given sometimes, and both should be, variation should be taken into consideration. So r is equals to 7 by 2 meters and the height depth is equals to 20 meters. and dimensions of the platform. Dimensions of platform. Length is equals to given to you 22 meters. 22 meters by, so breadth is equals to 14 meters and height we need to find out. Height कितना है? So value of cuboid. So value of the platform means bracket में cuboid is equals to value of well in the bracket you write cylinder. So value of the platform is cuboid formula L into B into either capital H because already H is there. Let us assume this is a capital H is equals to value of the cylinder pi r square h. So either pi value to be taken as a 22 by 7. So length is 22, breadth is 14, and height we need to find out. Pi value 22 by 7. The radius is equals to 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, and height is equals to 20 meters. See here in these problems, nothing is there. The shape you need to identify in what form you are going to have, and after diameter, main concentration sometimes diameter will be given, sometimes radius will be given. This is the second point you need to concentrate, and the third point you need to concentrate that conversions. Sometimes centimeters में देगा, sometimes meters में. So everything unit should be in the same units. Either it may be in centimeters or it may be in meters. All should be converted into the same units. In the conversion of the solids, main points you need to note here these things. So remaining will be similar here. So देखो ये 22 को 22 cancel होगा, 7 1 7, so 7 7 cancel होगा, ये 7 1 7, 2s are cancel. Next, this is 2 10s are, 2 1s are, 2 5s are. So nothing is left over, 2 is left over. H is equals to 5 by 2 meters. So therefore, height of platform is equals to 2.5 meters. Height of the platform is equals to 2.5 meters. समझ में आया? No doubt at all here. Huh? Let us move to the next question.
No, sir, समझ नहीं आया.
Devi, I will explain to you later. Very simple question here. Okay. See here, what is the given platform value? You joined just now in the middle of the class. That's why you are getting confused. L into B into H. Value of the cuboid will be equal to value of the well. Value of the cuboid is equal to well. Value of the इसमें क्या है समझने के लिए very simple here. I'll explain to you later here. Okay. Evening में separately explain करना हूँ. Next, let us go to the next question. Fourth question. Fourth question, see. So read the fourth question. Anyone of you please read the question. Read the question. Okay, I will read it. A well of the diameter 3 meters is dug. 14 meters. Same. It is dug. Same in the previous problem. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of the circular ring of the width 4 meters to form an embankment. find the height of the embankment. That is nothing but normally you see here. So read the question once again because I need to stop the sharing so that the board is visible clearly. Okay. So well, the earth taken out. Earth taken out is nothing but mud taken out. Mud taken out has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of the circular ring. Circular ring की shape में है. Okay. So now here that is again to form a ring form में. So ring form में is nothing but that is should be taken as a cylinder only, but difference of the cylinders I will explain to you through the problems. And width is 4 meters. So concentrate on the board here so that easily you can understand here. So now here the question is given to you like this. This is a well and the height depth is 14 meters is given to you. This is 14 meters and diameter is given 3 meters. Diameter is given to you. Diameter 3 meters and width 4 meters. So diameter 3 meters means here to here it is 3 meters. And from this whatever the earth is taken out and that here it is formed another ring. So that is nothing but like this. एक shape form कर रही है like this. This is the form. Means ऊपर कोई गिरने ना गिरने के लिए so some wall is made that is called embankment. That is called embankment. And here the width इसका width कितना है 4 meters is given to you. The width is given to you 4 meters. So now here the question what you have read, the shape of the well is in the cylindrical form. Okay, shape of the well is in cylindrical form, right? Cylinder. It is in the cylindrical. So and what the depth is given to you. Let us consider the more here it is given to you. That's why capital H consider. H is equals to 14 meters and the radius R is equals to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 meters. Okay, and given width of embankment, isn't it? Width of the embankment is given to you 4 meters. So when the width of the embankment is given to you 4 meters, means what do you get? Embankment is cylindrical shape, but empty cylindrical shape, and with the some width, it is going to have some width. So here the outer radius, this part is outer radius you are going to get, and it is inner radius. 2 cylindrical we are going to get. 2 cylindricals. A part of separate graph like this. This value to get what you have to do, value of the radius this one, and this is capital R. Capital R1, R1 and R2 label. Capital R1, capital R2. Capital R also actually capital R is enough because small r is nothing but that's radius. So we need to find out the value of ये इसमें इसके अंदर क्या है कुछ नहीं है ये खाली पोर्शन इसके अंदर मड just like one pipe with some thickness some thickness is there. The thickness is given to you. So that is nothing but difference between the two cylindricals. You are going to get the value. So here we have to take the one is capital R. Capital R can be, how do you find out the capital R here? Radius of the outer cylindrical shape you are going to. Embankment is also in the form of the cylinder only. Embankment is also cylinder, but outer radius, inner radius, thickness will be there. That cylinder will have some thickness. Okay, so embankment is also in cylindrical form with outer radius. Let us represent this by the capital R. Outer radius, what is it? This is by 2 plus 4. 3 by 2 plus 4. 8, 11 by 2 meters. We are going to get it. And inner radius will be obviously 3 by 2. Inner radius. Inner radius is smaller, that is 3 by 2 meters. Now vacuum of the, what we have to find out height. Let height of embankment as small h considered term. Because it's the height from here, small h considered term. Therefore, value of embankment is equals to value of earth taken from well. Earth means mud. Earth is nothing but mud taken out from the well. So value of the embankment, how do you find out? Embankment का value कैसे find out करते हैं? Pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. Because difference between the two values, because it is having some thickness, it is going to have some thickness is there. So value of the embankment can be found out pi capital R square small h, means ये outer cylinder का value minus pi small r square h is equals to value of the h is nothing but pi small r square capital H, because height of the this cylinder means depth of the well. So that you please note down in a proper way. So from this you can take the pi h common ले सकते हैं, capital R square times small r square. This h is needed to us to find out pi small r square h. So pi will get cancelled. R capital R value क्या है? 11 by 2. Small r value 3 by 2. So 11 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square is equals to 3 by 2 whole square into capital H is equals to 14. So ये value find out करने के लिए easy method a plus b max की apply करो. Instead of going for in any way you can do it. 13 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 13 plus 3 by 2. 14 by 2. So 14 by 2. 13 minus 11 plus 3, 14 by 2. 11 minus 3, 8 by 2. So is equals to 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 14. R square is 3 by 2, no? Pi R square is yes, everything is there. 2 1 the 2 7 2 1 the 2 7 7 7 is 2 1 the 2 4 4 each other. So H is equals to 9 by 8. H is equals to 3 3 is 9, 4 2 is 8. 9 by 8 meters. H is equals to 9 by 8 meters. That is the height of this embankment. So once again I explain to you, if you are having any confusion, it's not more confusion. You are getting confused means इसमें कुछ नहीं है, simple problem है. Problem is not more complicated here. Okay, last में still more complicated problem. Embankment is nothing but you have to imagine that the earth mud taken out is evenly spread. इसका form में form करना, just like one wall, boundary wall की जैसा form कर लेगा, and that is the value of that boundary wall will be equal to cylindrical shape होगा. Outer part is one cylinder, inner part खाली है. ये खाली होगा, बीच में खाली होगा, इसमें मड है. So that ये मड का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है तो वैल्यू ऑफ द आउटर cylinder minus value of the inner cylinder. That only is taken into consideration. Okay, so now let us move to the next question. Fifth one. Question number 5. So a container shaped like a right circular cylinder having a diameter 12 centimeters. Okay, I will show you to the question. Question दिखाता हूँ. What is the question here? This is the question. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having a diameter 12 centimeters and height is 15 centimeters is full of ice cream. The ice cream is filled into the cones of the height 12 centimeters and the diameter 6 centimeters. Find the number of hemispherical shape of the tops. Hemispherical shape on the top means एक आइसक्रीम के ऊपर कोन है, कोन के ऊपर हेमिस्फीयर है. ओके, कोन इज देयर, कोन के ऊपर हेमिस्फीयर लाइक दिस ऊपर भी आ जाएगा ना कोन आइसक्रीम में. ओके, हेमिस्फेरिकल शेप ऑन द टॉप. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ सच कोन्स व्हिच कैन बी फिल्ड विद दैट आइसक्रीम. So that is nothing but volume of the one ice cream is equals to filled in the cone is equals to volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. So number of cones is asking you to find out. So hemisphere का dimensions is radius is given to you because ऊपर इसके ऊपर आया बोल रहे हैं. So that is nothing but you can say consider that the radius of the sphere is equals to hemisphere is equals to radius of the cone, and here diameters are given to you. So be careful that it is not a very complicated problem. You can do it. Can you do it? This problem I am giving to you as a homework. Volume of the one cone is equals to volume of the cone, one cone ice cream filled in the cone ice cream is equals to volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. Volume of the hemisphere. So n into 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube in the brackets is equals to pi r square h. But here capital R and capital H should be taken for the cylinder dimensions. Small r and small h should be taken for the cone dimensions. So nothing difficulty is there here in this. You can do this problem. I am leaving to you this as a homework. Let us move to the sixth question. So the question is given to you: how many silver coins of the 1.75 centimeters in the diameter and the thickness is 2 millimeters? Silver coin. Coin is also, if you are taking into consider circular shape, you are thinking, but it is going to be in a cylindrical form with that some thickness is given to you. Okay, so just like a mud now, the previous problem what we are taking, and it is melted into the form of the dimensions of 5.5 centimeters, 10 centimeters and 3.5 centimeters. This problem I will explain to you. Don't worry and don't get confused. Okay, समझ में आया? क्वेश्चन समझ में आया?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
वेदिका नॉट समझ में नहीं आया?
Sir, आ गया.
हाँ. So now here sixth question see here, how many silver coins of the 1.5 centimeters in the diameter thickness is 1.575 is a silver coin is however you consider like this. Like this. Coin is taken, base is there, some base is taken into consider. Okay. So now here it is having a diameter 1.75 centimeters scale. 1.75 centimeters. Okay, and the thickness is 2. This thickness 2 millimeters is given. Please note here this point. That should be millimeter is given to you, and millimeters should be converted into centimeters. Okay, so the coins are in a cylindrical shape. Cylindrical shape is nothing but the difference between the cylinder. Some thickness will be there. So you can write coins are in what the dimensions here? Diameter is given to you. So radius is equals to diameter. So directly you write the radius itself here. Radius r is equals to 1.75 centimeters. 1.75 centimeters. And the height should be taken. That's 1.75 by 2. 1.75 by 2 because diameter is given. And height of the cylinder should be taken as a thickness. Height of the cylinder should be taken as a thickness. H is equals to 2 millimeters, but not here centimeters, here millimeters. So this will be expressed in centimeters. 0.2. So this is how many points, number of points you consider as a, and they are melted into form a one number of points for cuboid form container. Cuboid dimensions are given to you. What are the dimensions of the cuboid? Dimensions of cuboid. Directly you write here. So what is 5.5 centimeters into 10 centimeters into 3.5 centimeters. Let number of points be n. So therefore n into value of coin, that is nothing but cylinder, is equals to value of cuboid. So n into value of the cylinder I have square h is equals to n into v into h. This is n into v into h. So n into pi value is 22 by 7. The radius is equals to 1.75 by 2 into 1.75 by 2 into the height is equals to 0.2 is equals to length is 5.5 into 10 into 3.5. The number you need to find out by simplifying this. Simplification explain karo, maybe. Or can you do it? Okay, see here. In a simple way, I am showing to you. I am trying to give it to you in a simple way. 5 से cancel कर दिया तो 22 होगा. First decimals avoid करो. First you remove the decimals. Decimals remove करके देखो. N is equals to 22 by 7 up to 175 by 200. 175 by 200. 2 by 10. 55 by 10 into 10. 35 by 10. So that confusion will not be there. For you especially. If you are not to either this 10 will get cancelled, this 0 will get cancelled. Okay? Now, with 7, is it possible to cancel? Yes, 7. 7 to the 14. 7 by 35. 25. Okay? 5 say cancel. 5 5 is a 5 10 and 5 1 is a 5 7 This 7, oh sorry, 7 centimeter, 7 as it is, 11 ones are 11 twos are. Still what is left over? If you want 2 seconds, 2 ones are 200 and 175 is there. Again 7 se cancel over, 7 ones are 7, 25 are. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So 4 and 100 denominator में लग गया, बाकी सब पूरा cancel है. So n by 400 is equals to 1, n is equals to 400. Calculation can be done in any way. Okay, just simplification is only there here in this. So let us move to the next question here. 7th question, 7, 8, 9 questions. So 7th question is given to you a cylindrical bucket. Okay, I will show it to you. Wait. Is it visible to you, the question number 7?
Yes, sir.
So read the question. Question number 7. A cylindrical bucket 32 centimeters height and with the radius of the base, with the radius of the base 18 centimeters. So cylindrical bucket radius and height is filled with the sand. This bucket is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of the sand is formed. So ये bucket को पूरा नीचे डाल दे तो cone shape में एक sand आ गया. If the height of the conical heap is 24 centimeters, so find the radius of and slant height of the heap. So what is there? Both are different here. Slant height also it is asking you to find out. So that you can do it. 8th and 9th problems I will explain to you. They are very important. Okay. So 8th problem see here. A water in the canal 6 meters wide and 1.5 meters depth is flowing at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. And how much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeters of the standing water is needed? First I will explain to you the question properly. Water in the canal, एक canal है, canal you have to assume it as a cylindrical shape. So इसका width दे दिया है, depth दे दिया, means B and H is given, but the length is not given to you. So what here, but the speed is given to you. Speed 10 kilometers per hour. In 1 hour it is traveling 10 kilometers. So water is flowing 10 kilometers दूर जा रहा है. तो क्वेश्चन में दे दिया है 30 minutes दे दिया. In 30 minutes, how much water will flow out from the canal? Canal से बाहर जाएगा. So 30 minutes में 5 kilometers length of the water from the canal. So that is nothing but length of the canal can be considered as a L is equals to 5 kilometers. Sir, it is given in meters ना? Yes, meters में convert करना. First convert करना है. Volume of the water came out of the canal. Canal से बाहर कितना आया वो पता चलता है. Now this will be irrigated 8 centimeters of the, how much area will it irrigate? ये एक area, एक means some area of the field is nothing but length into breadth, rectangular shape if you take into consideration. And 8 centimeters of the standing water is given. Means water should be level, उसमें field में 8 centimeter तक आ रहा है. So that is nothing but height of the water is given to you. In both the cases, L into B into H only. First case में canal dimensions L into B into H only, and even field L into B into H only. But here H is standing water length, and there H is the length is speed is given to you. Indirectly speed is given to you. So I'll explain to you the question with the solution properly because very important question. These two questions are important examination point of view. Okay. Question समझ में आया अभी? So now let us move to the. So standing water is given to you. So standing water is nothing but here we need to assume that the water, if you consider that the canal is in the form of the cuboid, you have to consider canal in the form of the cuboid. So here whenever you are considering this, length is not given to you, but how much water is flowing in that 30 minutes? How much water is flowing in that 30 minutes, you can find it here. Okay. So let us see the question here. Now 8th question. 7th question you can explain. So what are the questions in the question given? Dimensions of the canal. So width of the canal, dimensions of canal. Breadth is equals to 6 meters and height is 10 kilometers per hour. So in 30 minutes it travels 5 kilometers. This implies In 1 hour, it travels 10 kilometers. This implies in 30 minutes, water travels 5 kilometers. This implies length can be considered. If canal is in the form of the cuboid form may consider it. Sir, how do you make a cuboid means? You have to conventionally you have to consider. Normally some canals will be not in a cuboidal, they will be in a trapezium form में होता है. So trapezium cross section you are going to get as a trapezium cross section of the in some canals. But here conventionally as per the question it is given to you, you need to consider it as a, because trapezium form में ले लिए तो then ऊपर का height level नीचे level height कम होता है, ऊपर level height ज़्यादा होता है. So normally cross section trapezium means like this will be there. इस form में होता है cross section canal. कुछ canals, some canals will be like this. Okay, but here you need to consider. So this implies length of canal can be taken as L. Capital L consider करो, इधर भी capital H consider करो, इधर भी capital B consider करो. This is equals to 5 kilometers, which is equals to 5,000 meters. And here, since 8 centimeters of standing water. What is the given? 8 centimeters of the standing water. Water should be standing, but is needed. Height of the height can be considered here. Small h is equals to 8 centimeters. And therefore, area of the field is L into B. So therefore, we are going to get L into B into H is equals to L into B into H. Volume of the water canal से बाहर आया, वो field में आ गया. So afterwards, field also in the form of the cuboid, but 8 centimeter standing water. So better you make the first small L into B into H here. L into B into H is equals to capital L into B into capital H. So we need to find out the area. So ये दोनों को मिलके find out करना है. So L into B into H is equals to 8 centimeter. इसको भी meters में convert करना है. So I told you first only everything should be expressed in a same units. That is main point here you need to observe it. So 8 centimeters को meters में convert करो. What do you get? 8 centimeters को meters में convert कर लिया तो 1 centimeter को how many meters?
800
हाँ
800 हो जाएगा सर.
800 होगा.
So 0.08.
0.08 meters होगा. So height is here 0.08. Here length is equals to 5 kilometers 5,000 and breadth is equals to 6 and height is here 1.5. So if you want you can convert them with L into B. 8 by 100 is equals to 5,000 into 6 into 15 by 10. This 0 will get cancelled. So now 2 3s are 2 4s are. So 4 1s are 4. ये 5 into 1000 4 5 into 1000. So 4 से cancel कर देते ये 250 हो जाएगा. Okay, so L into B is equals to इधर 10 है 5 into 250 into 3 into 15 into 10 meter square meters. How meters if suppose if you want to multiply 25 125 725 into 15. Otherwise 125 other easy you take care of 15 to the 225 Anyway, both are same only here. Multiply 25 5 are 125. 125 3s are 375 into 15. 15 5 are 25. Sorry, 75. 50. कन्वर्ट करने के बाद मीटर्स में एक्सप्रेस करना। समझ में आया? Do you have any doubt here in this? Do you have any doubt in this? हाँ? एक छोटा सा मिस्टेक है। What is that? ये एरिया है। This is area, not meters, meter square. Till now, whatever we are finding, they are not length. Length है। अभी ये length नहीं है। Okay? Next, last question. A farmer connects the pipe of the inner diameter 20 centimeters. Okay. Question मैं दिखा दूँगा। Present. हाँ। Last 9. So what is the question given to you here? A farmer connects a pipe of the internal diameter. Pipe का internal diameter is given to you 10 centimeters to a canal. From a canal, एक canal से pipe connect कर दिया into a cylindrical tank in her field. अब उनका field में tank में connect कर रहे हैं, which is 10 meters in the diameters and 2 meters depth. Diameter and depth is given, so tank will be in a cylindrical form. So 10 meters is given to you as a diameter. So radius is equals to 5 meters and height is equals to 2 meters. So if the water flows through the pipe at a rate of 3 kilometers per hour, here also पाइप से मैं क्वेश्चन दिखाऊंगा। क्वेश्चन दिखाऊंगा। क्वेश्चन समझ में आया ना? मैं आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द क्वेश्चन ऑन द बोर्ड हियर। पिक्चर जस्ट एक पाइप लाइक दिस, पाइप से एक सिलिंड्रिकल टैंक में पानी आ रहा है। द वाटर इज फ्लोइंग लाइक दिस। So इसका radius is given to you 5 and the height is given to you 2 meters. Height कम है, depth is given to you. So figure में भी like this. ये थोड़ा सा ऐसा होता है. Approximately if you draw so tank में भी छोटा सा tank है. So ये 5 है, ये 2 है. Means 5 meters and 2 meters. And here internal diameter is 20 centimeters. ये भी मीटर में एक्सप्रेस करना है, so 0.1 meters. And here this pipe का लेंथ कितना है हमको दिया नहीं, but pipe may be the length whatever it may be the length pipe length may be whatever it is, but the speed of the water is given to 3 kilometers per hour. In 1 hour 3 kilometers travel. So here the question is given to you, in how much time the tank will be filled. How much time tank will be filled? So first what you have to find out, let the length of the pipe, और ये pipe की length कितना है, ये length find out करेगा, तो length हमको पता नहीं exactly. Internal diameter is given. So this value, length whatever you are getting here, just like the previous problem only. तो 3 kilometers per hour in 1 hour 3 kilometers travel कर रहे हैं. So time you need to find out. The speed is given to you and the distance you want. Distance will be taken. Actually time is given. So time is equals to what here? Time you need to find out. Speed is equals to relationship. Speed is equals to distance by time. Time is equals to distance by speed. So distance is nothing but distance find out करना है. So that distance we do. So that you consider actually total pipe उतना distance नहीं होगा. ये छोटा पाइप भी हो सकता है. It can be a small pipe. But the water is flowing इधर से इधर आ रहा है और थोड़ा आ रहा है और थोड़ा. So we have to assume that the length of the pipe as a some h considered. So this is pi r square h, pi r square h. We need to find out pi. उधर r क्या है 5, 5 square. H क्या है 2. This h will be the distance of the water traveled through the pipe. समझ में आया? Did you understand this? This is a live example, बेटा. Pipe की throw pipe का height बोले तो this length of the pipe length कितना भी होने दो, but water इसके अंदर से जा रहा है. Water is going from this through the pipe. Through the pipe is going. So water, whatever is falling in this is a cylindrical form. So the length of the height means whatever water is going, the distance should be found. So the speed is given to you.